Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The US government has signaled a new era of activist intervention in international oil markets, experts said, with the White House increasingly willing to use its strategic stockpiles of crude to manage global prices. UK consumer prices rose 10.1% last month, the first double-digit reading in 4 decades, and energy costs are set to soar further this winter. Euro area inflation just managed to slip below the 10% mark, and the bloc's economy is seen shrinking next year, led by a contraction in Germany. Japanese authorities are likely to have spent more than $30 billion last week in their second intervention in a month to prop up the yen after it fell to a fresh 32-year low against the dollar, according to estimates by traders.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.